So Apple has released a new firmware for AirPods Pro, and these firmware comes with the 2D27 build number and is already available to download and install. Now the previous AirPods Pro firmware was numbered 2D15. Now this is the fourth AirPods Pro firmware update, and unlike any other Apple devices, the AirPods Pro doesn't get beta builds. The thing about the AirPods Pro firmware is that it gets installed automatically and there's no option for users to manually update them. So the way you get to update your AirPods Pro is that you just have to connect them to a device like an iPhone or an iPad and just make sure that the device is charging. So just make sure that your AirPods is charging, and then it will automatically update your firmware. Now I'm just going to show you how you could quickly check your firmware to see if you're on the newest build or not. So you could check your current firmware on the AirPods Pro by heading over to the Settings app, General, About, and then AirPods Pro. Now there's no like set in stone information about the changes that will come with the new AirPods Pro firmware, but if you remember the WWDC event, there's just this new feature for the AirPods Pro at the keynote where it adds auto switching to the AirPods Pro. So if you're watching a movie on your iPad and you receive a call on your iPhone, then the AirPods will automatically switch to the iPhone, which is pretty cool. Now Apple has also added this new spatial audio feature that is exclusive for AirPods Pro only. The spatial audio feature is aimed at offering like a surround sound feel or experience. So what the spatial audio uses is directional audio algorithms, and it's activated when you watch video or audio that supports Dolby 7.1 or 5.1 channels. It's plausible that the new 2D27 AirPods Pro firmware will bring the new audio switching and spatial audio features. With that being said, your AirPods Pro should be paired with an iPhone or iPad running the latest iOS 14 or iPad OS 14 for these features to work. If you have any issues, just let me know down below in the comments and I'll try to help you guys. But yes, that's how you upgrade and use all the new features with your AirPods or your AirPods Pro.